The next best thing, of course, I had to get a dash cam, and I saw this on a TikTok shop too. It is a rear view mirror, and then we click on this and it has a dash cam in the front and in the back. Let me zoom in a little bit. There you go, look at that. So I switch the view like this and I can see the front. I switch the view, I can see the back, and I can go down and I can go up. All right, go back, same thing here. You can go down, oops, sorry. You can go down and then you can go up too. Yeah, I have a mess. We just cleaned up storage, so don't judge me, right? Screw you. Anyways, I like this view right here. And then the cool thing about this dash cam too is when I put it in reverse, hey, the backup camera shows up with the directions right there. So that's pretty sick in my opinion. And it has the date, the time. So it is a pretty neat investment. Because sometimes I like to see right what's behind me. And then if you want to see the rearview mirror, you just press that and there you go. This right here is a little thing that I was also very inexpensive. It is like a sunglass visor for the early mornings when the sun's like right directly in your eyes, or in the afternoons when the sun's right directly in your eyes. You can see that and look at the difference. This is without, this is with, right? So it's pretty cool. You can only see. So I got that. Check out the camera right there. Boom, look at that. Check out that wiring. See, I routed the wires in there and then I ran them through here. I could have done a better job, but I think I did pretty good. And I got some equipment because I was doing an install. And here are my subs. Check it out. 212s, they bump, bro. Of course, this was not supposed to be touching, but yeah. For the back seat, I need to clean it up too. All right, I need to clean it up, take it all out. I did clean up the back, but I gotta replace the speakers in the back and speakers in the front so I can have better sounding system. Trunk lid's all messed up, but I'm gonna get this replaced too. I gotta do a massive clean out and then let you guys see what it's gonna look like after it's all done. I did replace this trunk latch too. The rear shocks, of course, look. I don't know if you can see, brand new right there, baby. All right, and replace the innards. Yeah, so it's still got a long way to go, but it's just a video for us, for my memories too, right? And then you gotta close it. Make sure we bring this down a little bit so it doesn't leak in there. And there you have it, guys. That's all I've done to the car so far. Hope you stay tuned and check out what's coming, because I'm gonna try to at least get the paint to match and make sure everything looks legit. Hope you stick around. See you later.